Hello, we're back at the Wellesley Free Library. I'm Ms. Lee, and today we have elephant jokes and elephant tales. Stories. The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. Oh, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Let's see what Elephant and Piggy are up to after I tell you this riddle. Why do elephants never forget? Because nobody ever tells them anything. Today I Will Fly by Mo Willems. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it. I flew. Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly? You jumped. I jumped? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello? You are flying. You are flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying. I am getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. Here is the American Sign Language sign for an elephant. You start with your nose, hand by your nose, and then you swoop down to make an elephant's trunk. So this is an elephant. Now, I will try to make a sound like an elephant, but I don't know how it will sound to you. Are you ready? Now, there's a song. We'll have some signs in this song, too. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Silly and foolish all day long. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Let's try it with the melody. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Silly and foolish all day long. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Way down south where bananas grow, an ant stepped on an elephant's toe. The elephant cried with tears in his eyes, "Why don't you pick on a guy your size?" Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Silly and foolish all day long. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be crazy? Now, here is a book about a crazy thing that elephants do that I never knew they could do. Elephants can paint too. Pictures and text by Katja Arnold. I teach in 2 schools. One is in the city, the other is in the jungle. Some of my students have hands, others have trunks. The elephant's trunk is both a hand and a nose. Not only can a trunk pick things up, it can smell, snore, trumpet, purr, drink, and spray. Elephants also use their trunks to communicate in a kind of sign language. A young elephant sucks its trunk the way babies suck their thumbs. Some students eat grass. Others eat peanut butter and jelly. But they all love cookies. And they all like to be with their friends. Young elephants play a lot. They wrestle, climb on each other, and just act plain silly. They talk to each other with sounds people cannot hear. They can also scream and even cry tears when they are sad. Time for art class. First, I give each student a brush. Look at how many ways there are to hold it. Here are 1, 2, 3. Now let's paint. These students like to paint dots. These students like bright colors. Wow! These students can paint flowers. Most elephants don't paint real things. They paint colored strokes. But some elephants paint trees and flowers. It takes them about 3 years to learn. Children learn to paint much faster than elephants do. Everyone has their own style. Anything can happen when the teacher isn't looking. Young elephants can misbehave. They grab each other's tails, steal fruit from your pocket, snatch the hat off your head, and run away from their mothers, who then spank them with their trunks. Sometimes they spray their teacher with water. Time to clean up. Remember to wash between your toes. Elephants bathe every day. Like children, they love water. Although an elephant can weigh as much as 6 cars, all are good swimmers. Using their trunk as a snorkel, they can swim up to 30 miles without resting. Art class is over. All my students can paint and be proud. Here is an elephant with a paintbrush, and here is a smaller elephant with paint on his rear end. Here are some more riddles. Why do elephants paint their toenails red? Because they like to hide in cherry trees. Why couldn't anybody find the elephants? Because they were hiding in the cherry trees. Have you ever seen an elephant in a cherry tree? No? Well, I guess painting their toenails is a good idea. Now let's take a look at another elephant that can paint. Ellie by Mike Wu. Zoo. On a bright winter day, when Ellie was just finishing her lunch, the zookeeper came by with an announcement. "Gather round," Walt called. "I have some news." "It is a sad day," he said. "The zoo is closing." The animals were heartbroken. There must be something we can do, Ellie whispered to her friends. The zoo is our home. Perhaps we can spruce it up a bit, Gerard suggested. Gerard always had good ideas. I'll prune the trees, Lucy said, nibbling a leaf. If only my trunk were longer, said Ellie. I'll move this rock, Gerard huffed, clearing it off the path. If only my muscles were bigger, said Ellie. We've already cleaned here, said the monkeys. What can I do to help? Ellie wondered. It seemed like everyone had a talent. Everyone but Ellie. Ellie thought she'd ask Walt to give her a job, but he was busy too. When the monkeys called him away, Ellie picked up the strange object he had been holding. It had smooth wood on one side and prickly hairs on the other. Ellie gave it a try. When Walt returned and saw her creation, he sprinted back down the path without a word. Had she ruined the wall? Soon she heard a wagon with a squeaky wheel turn the corner. Maybe Walt did like her painting. Ellie added color here and a rainbow there. There were so many walls to color and so many colors to try. Ellie painted all of her friends. She painted the tallest ones, the smartest, and the quietest ones. Word spread of Ellie's talents. Squeak! Roar! Chirp! Ellie, the artist. People came from all over the city to have their portraits painted. Some came with balloons, others came with awards. Ellie even painted Mr. Mayor with a smile. Soon, people from around the world came to see Ellie, the remarkable painting elephant. Lucy hosted the crowds as they arrived at the zoo. Gerard led tours through Ellie's art gallery. And on a bright spring day, with crowds cheering him on, Walt declared, "We are opened for good, thanks to Ellie." Aren't elephant jokes silly? Here's another one. Why did the elephant sit on the marshmallow? Because he did not want to fall into the hot chocolate. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile, give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly. Where can you find pet elephants? Well, it depends on where you left them. See you next time.